Hey there, beautiful souls. Summer is here, and I know we all want to feel our best, especially when the heat kicks in. But I'm not just talking about looking great in that summer dress. It's about feeling light, energized, and healthy from the inside out. Today, I'm sharing a refreshing weight loss diet plan for women that's perfect for the summer. Trust me, it's going to make eating healthy, easy, fun, and delicious. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's get started. 1. Why summer dieting is different. Now, first things first, why should we have a specific diet for summer? Well, during these warmer months, our bodies naturally crave lighter meals. We sweat more, lose water faster, and let's be honest, the thought of eating a heavy, greasy meal is just, ugh. Summer dieting is all about hydration, cooling foods, and eating meals that don't weigh you down. Plus, summer gives us access to some of the best seasonal fruits and veggies. So, why not take full advantage of that? 2. Key principles of a summer diet plan. All right, let's dive into the key principles of a summer diet plan that can help with weight loss while keeping you energized and glowing. 1. Hydration is key. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Don't forget, you can also hydrate with foods. Watermelon, cucumbers, and berries are packed with water. 2. Focus on cooling foods. Think leafy greens, fruits like melons and citrus, yogurt, and herbal teas. These help to keep the body cool and refreshed. 3. Smaller, frequent meals. Instead of 3 large meals, go for 5 smaller, nutrient-dense meals. This helps your digestion and keeps your energy levels stable throughout the day. 4. Light, but protein-rich. Lean proteins like grilled chicken, tofu, or legumes keep you full without the heaviness. Pair them with veggies for a perfect summer plate. 5. Cut down on sugary drinks. Instead of sugary sodas or juices, opt for infused water, coconut water, or green tea. These keep you hydrated without unnecessary calories. 3. Sample day plan. Now, let's get to the fun part. What could a summer day on this diet look like? Here's a sample plan for you to follow. Breakfast. Refreshing start. Start your day with a refreshing tea smoothie bowl. Blend spinach, frozen berries, Greek yogurt, and almond milk. Top it off with chia seeds, sliced bananas, and a handful of nuts. It's cool, delicious, and packed with fiber and protein to kickstart your metabolism. Mid-morning snack. Hydration boost. Keep it simple and hydrating with some fresh days watermelon slices or a glass of coconut water. You'll feel refreshed and satisfied without adding unnecessary calories. Lunch. Light and filling. For lunch, go for a jake quinoa salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, avocado, and grilled chicken or tofu. Drizzle a little olive oil and lemon juice for flavor. Quinoa gives you the protein, while veggies keep it light and cooling. Afternoon, snack, energy top-up. A handful of almonds, or a small bowl of his, Greek yogurt with honey and berries, can keep those afternoon cravings in check while giving you an energy boost. Dinner, perfect summer meal. End the day with a grilled salmon or tofu served with a side of roasted veggies like zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus, light, filling, and super nutritious. Final tips and motivation. And there you have it. A simple, effective, and refreshing summer diet plan tailored to women who want to lose weight and stay healthy this season. Remember, it's all about balance. Keep things light, hydrate often, and most importantly, listen to your body. If you follow these tips, you'll feel amazing, not just for summer, but all year round. Stay cool, stay healthy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. I'll see you in the next video.